Yo, so this is an updated review of the Cloudrunner 2 from On Sneakers. So I bought this a couple of weeks ago. We did an unboxing on this channel. And to be honest, I am pleasantly surprised how good it is. It is one of the most comfortable walking sneakers that I've ever, well, it's a running shoe. But when you use it for walking, it is one of the most comfortable sneakers I've ever bought and worn. Because to be honest, when I bought it, I didn't know that it was actually a stability sneaker. And to those who know me, I am actually flat-footed, which means that I overpronate. I think that's what you call it. So I need more support for the middle part of my foot and the ankle and heels. And that's what you get with the sneaker because it is a stability shoe. It has a higher drop, which means that it helps take pressure off your ankles. And at the same time, it has more support for the arc of your foot. So if you guys get what I mean. So ultimately, I ended up buying the sneaker that was actually perfect for my situation. But to be honest, I just bought this because it was in all white and they had it in my size. But again, I was super pleasantly surprised with how good this sneaker is, to the point that I've been abusing it a lot, and I'll be wearing it this weekend when I fly to Bacolod. I'll be in Bacolod this weekend. I'm shooting this on a Friday. I am flying out tomorrow morning and I'll be there. I'll try to bring you guys along with me, shoot a couple of videos. But yeah, insofar as the Cloudrunner 2, man, super good. And it's also super lightweight. So it's not a heavy sneaker at all, which means that you can wear it the whole day and it won't fatigue you. And at the same time, the cushioning or the overall comfort is super nice because of the pocket technology that you guys see here in the midsole. Every time you take a step, they compress, which helps alleviate the pressure and again gives you that bouncy feeling as you are walking in them. So technology-wise, features-wise, looks-wise, they're really just ended up being a perfect match for me. And I've been wearing them and I'm looking at getting maybe a couple more in different colorways because I am super, this is coming from the guy who did like videos, is it overrated? Anyway, I will eat my words because they're really nice. So I will end up probably buying one or two more after I wear the heck out of this particular sneaker. Guys, artista na si Dusty. Buti na lang matakaw pusa ko.
Inaway na nga siya dito.
Okay, so ipakilala ko sa inyo. She's the queen of busking and she'll introduce herself. Ako sabi ko, okay magpapakilala, but she'll be the one to introduce herself. Tada!
Hi! Hello guys, I'm Eloisa. And I'm the... Ayoko pala, hindi ko pala sinasabi yun.
Oh yeah, but
I'm a street performer.
Yun, okay.
And I'm grateful kasi binigyan ako ng time ni Sir Carlo. Eh! Oy, ako sir, binavalue ko ang oras ng tao. And kahit sa mga dumadaan sa busking ko, binavalue ko yung mga nagsistay at nakaka-appreciate. So, thank you.
So, we were talking about Cloud sneakers, and the good thing is, we swung by our good friends from Got Goods, and apparently they have like a bunch of size 13 on Cloud sneakers, which is my size. So, we'll check out what are the different sneakers that they have, and then we'll decide which one we'll buy. So, the first one is similar to what was the sneaker that I was talking about earlier, which is the Cloudrunner 2. This one is in, anong kulay ba ito, Rai?
Parang purple.
Purple and blue, no? Colorway. Again, this is a stability sneaker, great for people who have flat feet, people who need a little bit more support when they are walking or when they are running. Very comfortable, highly recommended. So that's the first one. The second sneaker that we have is, ano ba to? Cloud Monster, size 30. Ito ba yung meron ako? Wala pa ako nito. Cloud Monster. So, ooh, this one's nice. So this one, as you guys can see, has a nice pink accent for the laces, black and white colorway, all the different overlays. I don't know what the difference is yet. Alam mo ba?
Max cushion niya.
So this is like total cushioning and comfort. Oh, kasi if you take a look at it nga, the midsole is a bit thicker compared to the Cloudrunner. So again, that's number 2. The next one is, ano ba to?
Cloud Monster din yan.
Cloud Monster in a different color. Oh, this one's better. This one I like. No? It's much more simpler eh. Diba? It's like white and silver and shades of gray. So this one, I feel like I will get. I feel like 100%. So, di na feel like. I think I will put it at the back. And the last one that we have is, ano to?
Sir, 2.
Ah, iba pa yung 2?
Yeah. May slight difference lang siya.
Oh, ganda. Ito na lang. This is much better. Diba?
Ganda.
Triple white.
Yun yung color mo.
Yeah, this is more me. Ah, this one's super nice. Yeah, we will definitely pick this one. Oh no. Yeah, so if you guys want to buy On Cloud sneakers and you're here in Green Hills at very, very good prices, no, right? Very good prices. Retail. Make sure to drop by Got Goods here at Promenade, here at Green Hills Mall. So shout out to Jeff. Pangalan mo, friend?
Yan.
Shout out to Yan Yan. One more thing before we go. So this is the collaboration between Evangelion, Neo Genesis Evangelion, and McDonald's, which came from Japan. Do we still have stock?
One here and may dalawang parating.
Okay, so if you guys want to pick this up, it's available here at Unbox. So basically, you have... Wait a minute, you're probably thinking what's so special about this. So this French fries, burger, and a soda. But if you take a look, they actually transform. So when you get this out of the box, they transform into the different, ano ba tawag dyan? Evangelions, robots, or living things. I watched the anime but I forgot. All I remember about the anime was Shinji was so emo and complaining all the time. But anyway, so this one is the yellow version. This one is the original, no? Ito yung gamit ni Shinji. And then this one is, I think, the one used by Asuka, right? I'm not mistaken, the red one. So the fries can transform to this. The burger can transform to this. And then the drink can transform to this. Now, I won't actually open the box because I want to keep it like this. I want to keep it for my personal collection. But if you guys are looking, again, they are available. We have a couple of units here at Unbox. And you can just PM them on Facebook or drop by the shop if you guys want to pick one up.
Bound for Bacolod, gate 10, 3:40 po boarding time.
Thank you.